This is Samsung S60D. I want to show you how to connect this soundbar to Wi-Fi network. You need to use the input button. Once you switch the soundbar on, use the input to select the Wi-Fi, which will tell you Bluetooth, TVARC, Wi-Fi. Then go to your Play Store on your phone, download SmartThing app. SmartThing app. So download it on your mobile phone and open it up. So this is SmartThings app. Now select continue. You select add a device, and Samsung device, select add. What kind of device? You scroll down and look for soundbar. Now it's searching AVS series soundbar. Select on it. Getting things ready. Connecting to soundbar. Select Wi-Fi network. So it will show you the available network. So you select the network. Your phone is connected. You select on it. Save Wi-Fi network information. Then select allow. Registering your device. Success. Then select done. Downloading additional data. Now this is the soundbar. Tap sound, turn on. Amazon Alexa. If you have music from Amazon Alexa, then you sign in or skip. I'm going to skip. Chromecast. So if you have music with Chromecast, then you continue or skip. Ready to connect. This is the soundbar and the volume. You can increase the volume. Okay, so this is the soundbar here, ready to connect, and the volume. Sound source, ready to connect. Sound mode, equalizer, so you can do so many things from here. Sound mode, you have standard, music, game, adaptive, and visual. So you can control this soundbar using also from your smartphone. Then you go to equalizer, so you can adjust the bass and treble. You can also reset it from the equalizer. Space fit sound, you can select it. Active voice amplifier, advanced sound setting, channel level, voice guide. So all the features in the remote control is what is in here as well. So this is how to connect this soundbar to SmartThing and to Wi-Fi network. Now we want to test the audio using upbeat sound. Then you can also select Bluetooth, then select connect this. Now it's also connected via Bluetooth, so you can play the music you have. There we go. So this is game, adaptive sound, DTS VIRTUAL, standard, music. This is sound mode. And the volume is 23 decibel. If you want to pause it, then you select pause. You can control all the features using your smart thing on your phone. All the features in this remote control, you can control it using your smartphone and smart thing, so that you can actually select specific function you want. You can select the sound source connected. You can also via Bluetooth, and also sound mode, equalizer, space feed sound, active voice amplifier, advanced sound setting, channel level. Then you select pause and play. If you want to go forward, then you skip, go forward, likewise go backwards, and the center one is pause and play. You see, space feed sound. You see, channel level. Active voice amplifier. I want to show you how to remove the soundbar from SmartThing. This soundbar is connected to this mobile phone using SmartThing and also connected via Wi-Fi network. If you want to remove the device from SmartThing, what you need to do, you need to select the three dots, remove device, remove S series system, select remove device, and now the device is removed. So this is how to remove device from SmartThing. If you also want to add it, then you select add again. I'm happy with this soundbar. Thank you very much indeed, and it deserves your attention. Thank you.